Yeah, here's another one of my videos. This is the 2015 Dodge Ecodiesel. Pulled it out, got the motor out. There's a few things you should know about. There's this sensor back here that goes into the, I believe it's the turbocharger. So you want to make sure you get that off. Just unscrews with a 17 millimeter, but if you overlook it, you'll rip it off, and that'd be a nightmare. The other thing is it's off. It's the I forgot what it was. Anyway, so the other thing, I pulled it out with these high in place. And the thing is, I believe you can undo this nut right here and this nut right here, and the whole thing will drop down maybe 4 inches. I raised the cab up about that high, I don't know, about 8 inches. And the motor did come out after taking off all the top parts to the motor. So it's out, and we brought it in here to the machine shop. You can see all the black skid marks as it dripped oil. And here's the motor. And I went to Harbor Freight and got this little cart for what, $30. And it fits perfectly. You set the front of the motor on the cart, and the back of the motor sits right on the ground nicely. So I'm going to tear it up, take the heads off and everything, get everything off of it like this on the ground, because a motor stand would be difficult because of the distance out the turbo is from here. It'd be hard to get an engine stand on there. As I take off the parts, I bring them over here, and I just simply put them on the table and I mark each part. So I have a lot of parts on this table when I get that done. I'm also building a Ford GT40, and putting the motor in this is a piece of cake compared to putting a motor in the Ecodiesel. This motor just drops right in a 427 stroker. So anyway, that's as far as I've come with the Ecodiesel. Oh, a video you should watch is Eric at I Do Cars. He shows the Ecodiesel. He strips it down all the way. So that's the video I'm going on, and it's an excellent video, but I suggest you go over there if you want to see how to take one of these things apart. Over and out.